Hi there, I'm Chris for Tippy Gaming, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new booster for the Walking Dead All Out War by Games. So now we're going to be taking a look at the Jesus booster. So with this one, we have the Cult of Worms card for Jesus. He doesn't have he does have a faction symbol down the bottom here. I'm used to the All Out War ones where it's got them right next to the name, and yeah, no, like I say, I'm not quite sure what I'm looking at with these ones because I don't play Cult of Worms. Get our Mantic point as always. Then the All Out War character card here as well. Melee of blue dice, shooter white, defensive white and red. So he's quite a defensive character. It's pretty handy to have, especially with him being very melee focused. So he's going to be getting stuck in there against walkers and players and everything. 5 hit points, 55 points. For his dice, his nerve, 3 special rules. That's pretty damn good, really. Point wise and health wise for him. Martial artist, when he has no melee weapons equipped, he adds an extra white dice to his melee and gains the stun keyword. So he's a character you don't really need to equip that well, and he's going to handle himself quite well. Moving target, when he runs 5 inches or more in his activation, he adds a blue dice to his defense for the rest of the turn. So then you're rolling 3 dice defense. He's going to be very hard to hit when you're moving them up the table. Disarm, if Jesus defends in melee and his side wins, you may roll a black dice. On a shield, Jesus steals 1 random equipped melee weapon from an opponent. He must choose to either equip it, or if permitted, or discard it. You may not put it in a pack slot. So basically you're able to take away people's most important weapons there, at least the melee weapons. So if you put them up against Negan, you can take the seal off him. You'll not be able to use it, but you're taking it away from Negan from being able to use. So that is a pretty handy rule to have in play there. That'll make some pretty cool and annoying, if you're playing against them, fights. Equipment, we have 3, all of them for All Out War. Got binoculars, leather coat and throwing knife. Throwing knifes are single use. Leather coat, reroll blanks when making a melee defense roll. Binoculars is an action, nominate 1 enemy model in line of sight. Any friendly model within the user's kill zone adds a red dice to its ranged attack for this turn while targeting the nominated model. So he's pretty good for keeping everyone covered. Let me take a look at the models. Okay, so we have Jesus with his arm with binoculars sit on there, and we also have a backpack for him, which I believe you put on the floor, and his foot goes on top of it, whichever way I can't quite show you on here because of the channels there, but yeah, his foot goes on top of the bag. Then you've got the base for him, and we also have a walker chewing on a hunk of meat. So it's a new walker for we to put into the game.